Hi, it's Barbara Radke with the Radke Agency here at Keller Williams World Class. Thank you for joining my video blog today. I have a special guest, Malay with Pacific Coast Title. What is the role of title insurance?
Very good question. Title insurance is a very insignificant, but at the same time, very significant part of a transaction. If we say no, escrow cannot close the transaction. We make sure that the new homeowner that is coming onto the property gets the property free of any liens or any encumbrances or any other unforeseen challenges that they might have it. So we kind of police that and ensure they have a free and clear title.
Okay, super, thank you. So what are the most important things a client should be looking for when they're reviewing their title policy?
They should definitely be looking at the legal vesting, the liens, and the statement of information.
Okay, great. And when it comes to the liens, can you tell us about the different types of liens?
There are two types of liens that are commonly attached. One is unsecured liens, and the other ones are secured.
Okay.
Secured liens are the liens that are attached with the property and it's available through the public records. For an example, like child support lien, mechanic liens, or deed of trust, like a loan taken when the homeowner was buying a property. Now, unsecured can be any liens that are attached to the individual that owns that house and not attached to the property.
Okay, thank you for sharing that.
You're welcome.
And let's see, what other questions do we have? I know when it comes to vesting, that's a common question that we get. When our clients are buying a home, they want to know how they should hold their vesting, and I know there's a couple of different ways that you can do it. So can you elaborate on that for us?
Yes, legal vestings can be, for an instance, if a husband and wife are acquiring a property, they can buy as a joint community property with a right of survivorship. And if two individuals are buying the property, for an instance, let's say you and I choose to buy a property together. So it will be like this with Barbara Radke, a married woman, Malay Wadhwa, a married man, as a sole and separate property with 50% interest on it each. The reason why we specify the interest is so that way, if in case I can assign my interest to my wife or my kids or anybody. That way, there's no challenges. Okay. And it is so important to specify because let's say we just acquire the property without specifying the interest, then we have to go to the court to analyze who owns what percentage.
I see.
And then the last but not the least, sometimes it's good to put the property in a living trust.
Thank you for elaborating on that because that is a question that we get from our buyers is should they be putting it in their own name or should they be putting it in a trust? And it sounds like a trust is definitely the way to go.
Yes, and I would suggest please check with your attorneys also on that one, but the living trust is a great way to go because it allows the homeowner to assign a beneficiary without going into the court, just in case if anything happens. Hopefully it doesn't happen with anybody,
right.
But this is life, anything can happen. And secondly, it just adds more extra layer of protection for their property from any online frauds that people sometimes try to put it on a free and clear properties, especially with the senior citizens. So I would suggest any of you, if you have any senior citizen clients, suggest them to look into it, talk to their attorneys or their CPAs to see if they can put their properties into living trust.
Sounds great. Malay, thank you so much for sharing your wealth of wisdom and knowledge when it comes to title.
Thank you so very much. I appreciate it.
Have a great day.